Hey, if you're looking for a new transfer fuel tank for your truck to get the farm equipment in the field, some gas to it or diesel or whatever the case is, I got one for you. We're going to talk about this coming up right now. Hey, it's Semestral, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk, and my passion for trucks and SUVs. If that's your passion too, hit subscribe below. The bell notification to be notified new videos put out, like, well, this one. So I have a transfer flow fuel tank back here. It's kind of weird. I want to say transfer flow transfer tank, but it's a little weird. It's a split 50 gallon, so I have diesel on one side, I have gasoline on the other. It's an American-made fuel system, right? And so what you can do is you can mount this in the back of your truck. Diesel on the one side, gas on the other, do your farm equipment. You can do anything that's running on diesel, your diesel trucks. You can pipe this into your fuel tank and it actually extends your fuel tank. And so the fuel gauge still works. It just pulls from both your inner tank and the external tank you added to. I got really good components here. We'll take a closer look at this tank and I'll tell you more about it. Okay, we have a standard kind of gas nozzle here. Pretty good size hose, pretty sturdy construction, and it goes right in. And I can even reach from the side, and this Nissan Titan it's in. It goes in, and you have a really good latch. Like, I'm not going to let this isn't going to go anywhere. It's pretty solid, right? Good, solid, hard construction. A really good unit. You can see where it's all bolted together. So I don't have any concerns about quality as far as this tank goes. You can see where the filling is on the top. Now, another thing I like about it is that there's an option to do a toolbox on top of it as well. So you could have that right inside your bed with a toolbox. A lot of times in my area I see these, but I see them sitting up so much higher, you lose part of the access to the bed when you do that. And so it's cool to have this sitting in, and it sits kind of more flush with the truck bed, and you have really good construction on it, American-made construction. So it's a really cool setup. I'll go ahead and put some pricing information in below because I don't know it quite yet. And I will put that down below. You can check it out. You can check out Transfer Flow, and I'll put the website down below. Check them out as well. So hey, if you found this video informative, give me a big like, hit subscribe, and again, bell notification to be notified new videos put out. Find us on Pickup Truck Talk. That's 3 words. It's on pickuptrucktalk.com. Also Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Type in Pickup Truck Talk. My finger's going crazy. We're there. Trust me, I've done it. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road.